Alright, I have stuck a Railblaza mount on this long sea kayak. Has a marine adhesive on it, you can see there. I put the bolts up so the smooth sides, because in these tight cockpits you don't want to run your leg into definitely into a screw, but not even the bottom of a bolt. So they've been marine adhesive down there. You may not be able to tell, but I put just a little bit of marine weld on the top. Kind of gives takes the edge off those screws, so if you ever drag the inside of your arm against it or whatever, it's a little cleaner. Alright, we have put a Railblaza mount on this Perception shadow, Sea Lion shadow, and we're going to try it out, see how it works, hopefully get some new angles.